Winchester, 1873.
Range fans, back on the 25-yard line, pistol bay with something a little special. Look at this chaos on the table. We've got probably the largest 38 357 caliber collection that you have seen in one place on the range, and for sure on the old tube. We've got Colt. We've got Smith & Wesson. We've got modified Smith & Wesson. We've got Performance Center. We even have Kimber and Taurus. And over here to the right, a bunch of different ammunition loaded by moi. So what we're going to do today, I got my two buddies out here, my son-in-law, good friend of my son-in-law's, good friend of mine, a good friend of my family, Big John with me. And here's what we're going to do. You guys have seen us or seen me do the 666 challenge before. You've got 6 yard lines, 6 shots from a revolver, and 6 shots part-timer. We're going to up the ante a little bit. 6 shots at the head at a 4-inch target. That's going to be 38 special. 6 shots to the body. That's going to be 357 Magnum. That is a 7-inch target. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to draw numbers today. I've got DM off camera. He says he has a face made for radio. I don't know what makes him afraid of the camera. I'm not sure what's going on with that. But we got him off camera, and we're going to let him do the old number generation for us, and we're going to have to pick one. Then we're going to go and pick our ammunition, 38 357. Some of it loaded hotter than others. Some of it loaded with semi-wad cutters, hint, might be target ammo. And then from there, we're going to go out and do the timer. So let's do this thing. I guess I can do it. So we'll go from youngest to oldest. The youngest is going to be...
Yeah, that'd be me.
All right, Big John. I stop right now. Boy, this thing is turning out bad luck. So your number is 1, sir.
Nice.
Your number is 8. My number is 4. And we're going to put DM in there anyways. And his number is 6. So John will actually be last. So you get first choice. You got to choose your revolver. And then you got to choose your ammo, 38 Special and 357 Magnum. Which revolver?
I'm going to go with the Python.
Oh boy, he is going with the Python.
Yes, sir.
Now, which ammo? That's cheating, reading the label. Because
right,
I actually did put the feet per second on the label.
And these.
You see what that joker did? He chose the lowest velocity, the target ammo to go with. So
I got these little hands, I need it.
He was 8, I was 4, DM was 6. So I am going to go with, yes. Performance Center, Smith & Wesson, 357 Magnum, model 13-4. And it's ported. That's what I'm going with. DM, I know I got to cut you out, but come on and pick. Which one you going with? CS1. Mm-hmm. Smith & Wesson. And for ammo, I am going to choose... Yeah. I want the tight group. And I'm going to put myself at a little bit of a disadvantage. I'm actually going with the hottest ammo on the table. It's 170 grain. 357 Magnum. DM took the second hottest, And he's taking... Don't matter.
Don't matter.
Nope.
Nope, I get to play cleanup.
All right, sir. Yeah, take it with you. Take it off camera with you. All right. And John. Look at there.
Model 66-1.
Model 66-1. And sorry for your luck. That's 2,400 powder. Should be 1,150 feet per second. So kind of 38 special plus P-ish. And 800 feet per second semi-wide cutters. Let's head out to the range, boys, and see what this thing turns out like. Let's go. John, tell us what you got, man.
Colt Python 357. We're shooting 38s.
357, shooting 38 at the 4-inch target, downrange. Let her rip, Tater Chip.
Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Timer killed him.
Oh, no.
Struggle Bus City.
So what was that time?
704.
704.
Terrible.
Now
Devil
you got the
got
3-inch Colt Python with 357 Magnum. It's loaded with 300 MMP. Come over to dayattherange.com if you want to see the loads. 1,100 feet per second. Let's see this go.
Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Four, 5, 5. Looks like he got one hanging
4,
low.
5, 5. And yeah, I think he's got one low. All range fans, I got to tell you, this is a little bit of a setup. John Wick Jr., that's what I call him with a semi-auto. That's my brand for him, is John Wick Jr. Last time I was out at the range with that guy, he made me look bad. I felt sorry for myself. I went home depressed. All I could do was sit down and eat a big fat steak. That's what he does to me. But anyways, Brandon, I believe it was you that asked in the comments, Smith & Wesson, model 13-4. You said you'd never seen a 3-inch one of these. 3-inch Bob Hammer, Performance Center, 38 special, semi-wide cutter, on the timer. Can I beat 6 seconds? Muzzle on the barrel. Whew.
Shooter
And
ready?
why do I still feel pressure? Why did I invite you? Jeez almighty, the dude does something to me. Here we go. Here we go. Shooter ready.
Shooter ready?
Shooter ready.
Stand by.
Wee!
369.
3, 6, 9, 38 special. Oh
I
boy.
think you were hanging off on the top though.
I left the door open because I do have 2 outside of that 4-inch ring. Oh, don't go down there and look at it.
You might have broke purple.
Don't. Well,
I don't know. It's close. It's on the line.
what do you go down there and look at it for then? Jeez, oh,
I gotta save myself somehow.
Oh, get out, have some fun with family and friends, and dance with the devil. This is us fighting that old devil, evil creature back. 170 grain cast. Look how deep the hollow point is. 170 grain. I don't know about this in 357 Magnum. These are loaded a little stout for 170 grain. So we're gonna see. I'm nervous. I'm dropping the rounds. Jeez, oh Pete. Too competitive.
Watch the flames.
Oh, whatever. Whew. Shooter ready.
Stand by.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the ports.
485.
485. Ejects easy. 1, 2,
They're
3,
all in there.
4, 5, 6. All the 357 Magnum in there. Now, we're gonna have Big Red come up next, and then we're gonna have DM come. I'm gonna put him on camera, but I'm gonna blur his face. I'm not sure what he's afraid of, but we have to see what he can do because he talks more trash than I put out on the edge of the curb every week. Let's go. Your turn.
All right.
All right, John, tell us what you got.
Shooting this fine 66-1.
Oh,
custom
the
work done
old
to
school 66.
Yep. Shooting 38, 148 grain. See what we can do.
Let's go.
Shooter ready?
Shooter ready?
Stand by.
Hung them all low.
387.
Oh, look at that target. Oh, look at John. He dropped 4. Still would have hurt, though. Still would have hurt. All right, you ready to go with that 66? Now you got 357 Magnum in there, loaded with 2400. Let's see what you got.
Shooter ready?
As ready as I can be.
Stand by.
I heard 5.
I think I heard
374.
5.
You heard me
Your
pull the
lights
trigger. You heard me pull the trigger.
Yep.
It just went click.
Man, we got to give him another go. We had a light strike, and I don't know that it was light strike. The primer might be set too deep. It was a GFL case, but to keep him from crying and whining, we got to give him another shot. Model 66. That's a beauty, isn't she? The most revolvers you've ever seen on a range at one time. Let's go.
Shooter ready?
Shooter ready.
Stand by. There they are, all 6 of them. 439.
Hell, what you got?
I'll tell you what.
439.
439.
The trigger did lock up on one.
You know why?
Did you release it all the way?
Yeah, that must have been what it was. I bet it was.
I think you didn't come off of it all the way.
That's
Yep.
Yep.
a striker fire shooters.
I bet it passed over that one. I bet that's what it was.
Well, here's what we're doing. Oh, we're spicing it up just a tad bit. We got Big John. We're going on the head, 4 inches. And look at this thing. Winchester 94 AE, angle eject, 357 Magnum. Nothing's in the chamber. He's got to load it. Can he get 6 rounds off? Here we go.
Shooter ready?
Yeah.
Stand by.
Woo!
Man, that's rough.
It's tough. 6 seconds. 7.94.
Very good.
Winchester model 94 AE 16 inch loaded up
Can't beat that.
with my own 357 Magnum.
No, the guys
Can I
that
beat
promote love
6 seconds? I doubt it, but I'm gonna give it one heck of a go. I gotta come in on top of John Wick. 794 is the time to beat, but he had them all on target. He says he dropped that last one. I didn't tell him, but the line was broke. So I gotta try to get all 6. Whew, here we go.
Shooter ready?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm ready.
Stand by.
Oh, what a train wreck it is.
999.
Well,
Boy, what happened there?
did you see me misfeed
Man.
the first one?
You should
Oh
short
my
cycle
gosh, what a mess. That's okay. You
I
up next. That's
know.
okay.
DM.
I'm about
Come-
to
DM's up next.
Oh, that's right. DM's up next. But he's going to get a go, and I'm sure he's going to be chuckling on the sideline. All right, here we go.
Shooter ready?
Shooter ready.
Stand by.
701.
Woo, 701.
Man, that's cooking. That's
all-
hard.
Oh, look at that target, though.
You won.
Hey, look, it's harder than what you think with a lever action. Well, there you have it. A little fun on the range with family and good friends. I'm telling you, it can't be beat. Get out and shoot.